Data collection method. How do you get the data you use for your analysis? This is very important. Where do you get your data? First, for qualitative data, because they are basically words, they are not numerical. So to get this particular data, you can get them from interviews. So you see people move around and ask questions, get information from people. That's how to get qualitative data. So from interviews, you can get data. From focus group, in the settings where you have few persons, you can just sit and ask, where they ask several questions like, how would you handle this problem? How would you handle this case? That's someone taking data. So that's from focus group. And observation, for someone like me, I learn by observing. So I can move on to a shop and observe how customers come into the shop and how they leave, and what time they come into the shop and what time do they leave. So this is me observing and also taking data. All right, document analysis, examining tests, reports, and media to extract relevant information. So those are the ways to get qualitative data. How do we get quantitative data? Because these are numbers, and of course you have to get this in several ways, like surveys and questionnaires, structured tools with close-ended. Have you been in a situation where someone sent a survey and asked you to fill it in? That's someone taking data for analysis. So experiment, you can also use control studies to test hypotheses and measure outcomes.